We are pleased to show you the 2020 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, compass, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.